I'm Mickey, and I am a vascular access specialist. I currently do research and help people get to publication. My role as a vascular access specialist has evolved over time. I went through nursing. I did my med-surg year, and then I went into the ER, into pediatrics, home infusion. I really, moved along, but every aspect that I've done in nursing has involved vascular access. Slowly, I became more and more specialized, and what really inspires me is my patient. Only my perspective has changed, but as a vascular access specialist or a nurse or any healthcare professional, there's so many things you can do as your career goes along. And I've just been fortunate that I've been able to do that through this specialty. Still so much to do. Currently I'm in research, and I hope to inspire the next generation to keep going with vascular access and how we can improve. I tend to, at conferences, I tend to be the one that speaks off topic, like the thing that nobody else is talking about. So back in 2010, I was talking about midlines, and everybody was like, midlines, what do we use those for? And now, people talk about it a lot. I discussed how to declot midlines, crazy thought. I talked about injectable drug use and how we intersect with that population. And right now I'm sort of on securement. It blows my mind that we have spent so much time getting that tip of the catheter to the right place. We spend so much money, so much education and training, and that is very, very important. But then how we keep it there is an afterthought, or less. It's whatever in the kit. And if you're a physician, it tends to be sutures. And if you're a nurse, it tends to be adhesives. So I think that's underappreciated, that securing the catheter, keeping it in the right place is much more of the life of the line. Getting it there is important, but then keeping it there is equally important. My recommendation to anybody in the healthcare profession is to start to ask these questions. Why or why not? Those are my favorite. You need to look at everything you do through that lens. Like, why are we doing it this way? And the protocol is not a good answer. Why is the protocol written like that? Why do we do this? Is there something else we could be doing? If you're doing something that's great, then reinforce that with outcomes, with research, and say, this is why we do what we do. And hey, the rest of you should do this too. Share that information. And then look at things like, why not try this? Why are we always using sutures, for example? Why do we do that? Well, the biggest reason right now is tradition, and it's in the kit. That is not a sound clinical reason to keep using something. So my recommendation is that the future generations in vascular access continue to ask that question. Why are we doing it this way, and why can we not do it that way?